Next, I will show you how to do sign in and sign up using Firebase, but we don't have any sign in or register screen in our application. So let us quickly make them. Right here in the views folder, I will create another folder, call it auth, and inside that I will create a file called login screen dot dart. I will create a stateless widget, call it login screen. Just like before, return a scaffold. It won't have any app bar. In the body, I will have a single child scroll view, so the page is scrollable. Inside that, a container and padding to get some spacing in the both sides. So edge insert start symmetric, horizontal 20 maybe. And inside that, a column. And in the column, we will have input fields. For one of them is going to be email and another will be password. We already have made the input fields in our other part of the application. So let us copy it. Let us copy this search bar. Let's go to the search page and simply copy this text form field and paste it right here. I will remove this code right here inside unchanged. We don't need them for now. Also, we don't need any search icon. We don't need any suffix icon. If you remember what suffix icon is, the icon at the end. We don't need any icon. We will remove it. And the hint text is going to be enter email. If I hit save, our page is ready to view. All I have to do is go to the main file, and instead of the landing page, I will set login screen to home right here. If I hit save and restart, yes, the page is here, but it is right here, which is hard to see. So I will use some vertical padding as well. That is kind of okay. Maybe on top of the text font field, I will use a big sized box. Give it a height, maybe 50. Okay, it is here. I do want to see some border right here. So I will, in the outline border, I have used colors.transparent. Maybe this time I will use colors.gray. Gray 400 maybe. It says invalid constant value. Where is the const? Right here. Remove this. Hit save. We still have a problem. Let's hover over this. It says color nullable cannot be assigned. It says color nullable. Wait a minute. Color nullable cannot be assigned to this. So instead of this, maybe we can use color.gray with opacity 0.4. So we have decreased the opacity of this. Let us restart. Now we do have a border. Okay, so on top of this text font field, I will want a text called email. Maybe style it a bit. Make it bold and increase the font size to maybe 20. No, that's too much. Maybe 15. And put some spacing. Okay, I want the email, the text to the left side. For that, to the container, I will say cross-axis alignment should be start. Okay. So just like this email field, I will create another field, call it password. Now I will make some comment right here, so it is easier to identify. I will just copy it and paste it right here and rename it to password. Hit save. We do have a password field. Let us put some spacing between the email field and the password field. 40 is too much, maybe 20. Okay. You can put some logo on top of it and play with it. I'm not going to waste time on the front end too much. Next, we need a button, the login button right here. So let us put some spacing, and after that, we need a button. We can use a default button that Flutter provides. So if I search for buttons in Flutter, you will see that Flutter already provides us some buttons: flat button, raised button, outline button. Let us use this flat button. Okay, flat button is not supported anymore, I believe. That's why it's not showing in the suggestion. Maybe we can use elevated button. Yes, elevated button exists. So in on pressed, we will do something inside this second bracket, and in the child, we will have a text login. If I hit save, there is a button created. That's awesome. Let us put some more spacing right here. You can try to style it and make it long or any way you like. I'll just keep it for now like this. So our login page is created. When the user clicks on this login button, we want to go to the landing page. If you remember, our landing page was showing all the three tabs: the cart tab, the home page, and the settings page. We already know how to navigate to another page. If I search for that code, here is the code. I can simply copy it and reuse it right here. So when the user clicks on this login button, I want to go to the landing page. Restart the project. Now if I click on this login button, it takes me to the landing page. Awesome, that's working.